Rules of bike maintenance. Make sure your nails are on fleek. Make sure you ain't wearing no shoes and got your yoga mat ready. Bonus points if you got an ice cold LaCroix at the ready.
I forgot about my LaCroix.
Alright, so Jessica is doing some routine maintenance on her Triumph Street Triple, but it's important for you to know how to work on your own bike. So even though this is just an oil change, she's still going to do it. What do you mean, where's your tools? You got to get your own tools. That's part of learning how to do this.
You need a bike lift.
Yeah, a bike lift would be nice. You gonna buy me one?
This sucks.
Twist it out. Don't fuck it up.
I don't know which way to go.
It's already going the right way.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry. I got it for you. I got you.
I don't think it's the right way.
Are you pulling up?
Yeah.
It's the right way. You gotta break it loose. Yeah, there
Like
you go.
up?
Yeah.
Okay, that hurts. I need a tool.
Alright. Now you can take it out. Okay, so it wasn't in there tight enough for me to have to do it. I thought you were just being a whiner.
I don't know where. Is it gonna come out of this?
Yeah.
Oh. Ew! Now what? It's all over the place.
Now there's no oil in it. Now what are you gonna do?
Hey, is this gonna be big enough?
Let's hope so. Or else you're gonna have a mess to clean up.
This is your garage, bitch.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my god!
Uh-oh.
Josh!
Uh-oh.
Get the bowl! Yeah, there's like a dog bowl.
It's gonna be fine. Yeah, it's gonna be the perfect amount. He says, hopefully.
Oh my god!
It's perfect, I said. Am I right or not?
You're right.
Perfect amount. See, I knew it. I could visualize it in my head. I could visualize what it looked like. And I was like, I know exactly how much needs to be in there.
Now what? I ain't moving it.
Now dump that out into the oil thing.
Why did I just put the oil thing under here?
Because it doesn't fit.
Oh. This way.
Grab it and twist up. Did it move?
Yeah.
There you go. I'm going to spin that sucker off. And don't let it drop in there, because then we'll have a mess.
It's giving me more oil.
Oh wait, oh my gosh, you should empty that first.
No, like...
Yeah, there's more oil's gonna come out. Yeah, that's almost full. That's a bad idea. What do you think, Boner? Boner's looking at you like you're a fucking idiot. Are you having fun yet? Here, empty it.
Ah! I can't pick that up.
Well, you're gonna have to.
You have a bike lift. You have that thing.
Your bike has the exhaust goes underneath it. We can't use the bike lift.
Oh.
You're the one who picked this bike out. This sounds like it's your problem.
Thanks a lot, Triumph.
Okay, now
I'm gonna spill it.
No, you have to be careful. Oil's hard to clean up. It's okay.
Oh my god.
Just be very careful. It's okay
No.
if a little bit gets on there. Jessica.
What?
Be very careful.
I'm gonna drop it.
Don't drop it!
Oh my god.
No! Ah, ah, ah,
You're making Grim very upset. I can hear you stressing me out.
Good job. What's that though?
Oh god, what? Stinks like a horse ass. Why does it smell like that?
What's that bubbling thing? What'd you do?
Oh god, I don't know.
I think you did something wrong.
Mm-mm.
Here, you see that little red thing right there on top?
Open it.
Open it, yeah. There you go. Now you put your drain plug back in.
The drain plug?
Yeah, be very careful. Don't fuck it up or all your oil will leak out.
But is that washer go on there?
Yeah, sure. So you're gonna grab some of this, which is your oil.
There's not a lot in there.
No, I have a whole nother jug, don't worry.
Oh.
So you're gonna grab some of that and you're gonna pour a little bit in that oil filter.
Oh really?
Mm-hmm. That's good. There you go. That's perfect. And I see you got that little bit on the outside. That's enough to just like dip your finger in that.
But you wanted some in there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so dip your finger in that. You just slop it on. You ain't gotta be careful. Alright, get it as tight as you can with your hands. You want to push it down.
Yeah, like that.
Yep.
Yeah. That's what I was doing.
Now you don't have to be super tight. So what you're going to do now is I'm going to grab some brake clean so you can spray everything off. And you can get a good grip on the actual oil filter.
Oh, okay.
To be able to twist it down. So I know there's actually like a torque specification for this oil filter. I don't know, man. I was a mechanic for years, and I've changed literally thousands of different cars and motorcycles oils over the year, and I've done nothing ever then besides just get them hand tight. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I think it'll be okay.
Like all that?
Yep, just spray it liberally is the word.
Oh, yeah. God.
Yeah, just squirt it right all over it. Now squirt the oil pan as well, because you had oil on there. You just want to use that on everything. Good. It's okay if it gets on the ground, because that'll also start to work on the oil that we got sitting on the ground when we wipe it up later. Oh. Just go ahead and wipe the whole thing down. And you should be able to feel that there's no oil on it whatsoever now.
Really?
You feel how it feels really, it doesn't feel greasy at all now?
Yeah.
Brake cleans the bomb. Okay, now go ahead and change your gloves, because those are oily. So you want to be able to get a good grip on it. Oh, you can, no, don't use that. Don't use that. You want to just use your hands.
Oh.
So use your hands and get it hand tight. As tight as you can get it with your strength. Like I want it where you're like, I could get it no tighter with my own arm muscles. That's as tight as you want it to be.
Okay, that's my muscles. You want to try yours?
No, do you trust it?
No, but you know. Do you trust it? I don't know what you're putting me on this bike.
Well, no, you wouldn't wreck because of this. The bike would just be ruined.
That's as tight as I can get it, so.
All right, that's hand tight. Let's put some oil in it. I'm not going to clean up your area. You're going to clean up your area because you can't move the bike because you don't want to roll these tires through your freaking oil that's all over there.
Oh, okay. Whatever. How do I clean it?
How do I clean? You asking me how to clean?
No.
Use that brake clean.
Ow. Did you get that?
Ow. Ow what?
The pipe's hot.
That's what happens. Oil on the other side too, from where you spilled fresh oil.
Yeah, but that's not in my way of getting the bike out.
Clean it up.
What do I do with this crap?
You're gonna clean that up too. Just spray it. Spray the fuck out of it. The whole area.
Spray this?
Yeah, just spray it. Yeah, over there, all over. There you go. Good. Now wipe it up.
I love making videos with you.
Howdies! For all you guys who say I should be worried about showing the front of my house in videos, you best believe that shit right there.
I've never changed an oil before. That was the first time. Wasn't too bad. I don't think I will ever find the need to pay someone to do it, on this bike at least. Feels good. I think this road gets me back home. We'll see. We'll definitely find out. No, I typically wouldn't also, like, as of late, ride without a jacket. This is one of the first roads that I took this bike on when I first bought it. I really hope that's like a piece of dog hair in my helmet that I feel and not like a bug. It's like my worst nightmare is there be a little buggy in it when I'm riding. I'll eat it so fast, I don't even care what it is. Save myself from the bug. I don't know why eating it would be better, but I just feel like it'd be better than crawling on my face and possibly biting me or going into my ear. I almost felt like I was going to get in trouble for not having a jacket on while that cop rode by, but then that's not a thing. I definitely haven't ridden the Triumph Speedmaster in a very long time. Yeah, anyways, I'm going home and I'm going to get on the Speedmaster in a couple hours. Funny enough, I'm a little nervous. Do I have a favorite? I don't know if that's even a question, but I don't think so. I will say, feel like I know for 100% of a fact that I would not ever get rid of the Triumph Speedmaster. I'm going to ride it until it's unrideable, and then it can become a little trophy in the living room. It is so weird. Well, here it is, riding the Speedmaster around. Might be a little loud. Oi. I feel like I'm so stretched out, like my legs are way out there, and even my arms are like whoosh. I am not used to that again. This is crazy. I am very happy to be riding this right now. I'm also like, what gear am I in? I can usually just look at the thing on the triple, just see what number I'm on. Lord, am I spoiled. But here it is. It still got it. It's still fucking running, especially now. Cool how it really does just like come right back to you. I probably sound so stupid to everybody else, but I'm just like, I was a little nervous to get on it. Oh shit. Hello. There ain't no anti-lock brakes on this either. Now I can appropriately wear my loud pipes get pussy shirt. We definitely changed the pipes on the triple to make it louder. They ain't this loud. This is the get pussy loud. Is that Popo behind me like waving? That's weird. Don't wave at me. I don't have a blinker, that's one thing. That would be really funny. All these levers sure want some hard pulling and pushing. Thanks for showing me how out of shape I am. Maybe that's my problem. I stopped riding this bike so much, it got me out of shape. I definitely missed this view. Turns different than the triple. That's for sure, and I can already feeling that clutch here. All right, now all we have to do is get the Rocket 3. Had to wear a fanny pack because I'm used to having some luggage. No, I don't want to put I don't want to put bags on this. So this is the cool bike.
Holy moly! Talking some shit about some sport bikes going by. And I was like, oh shit, that's Cammy and Skip.
Do you like how he was like, let's go use her microwave? Yeah. Because I broke mine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And
I was really pissed and I opened it up and I slammed it and I broke it.
So Skip actually had a reason, Skip and Cammy had a reason for coming over here. And it wasn't to help fix my stupid dirt bike. It was because their microwave broke. And Skip had some salmon that he had to eat.
I'm watching.
He's observing now. Now they're here. Now they're hanging.
Making sure you're doing it right.
But the original reason was salmon.